the workshop, located in the lower level of the University store on 5th, we have a Glowforge Plus 3D laser printer. The Glowforge is a user-friendly CO2 laser cutter used for engraving, cutting, and shaping designs from a variety of materials. The Glowforge has a maximum printing area of 11 inches by 19.5 inches and can cut materials up to 2 inches thick when removing the print bed. The Glowforge runs on a Wi-Fi browser app, app.glowforge.com. A C4C assistant can help you log into the app using the iMacs in the workshop. There are 2 different methods you can use when creating your next project on the Glowforge. In this video, we will briefly go over both methods and some basic info to help you achieve a successful print. The first method is to upload your design from a file. You can upload a file from a free online site, a personal device, or by creating an image using Procreate on one of the iPad Pros in the workshop. For best results, make sure your image is in black and white and is saved as either a JPEG, PNG, SVG, or PDF file. Next, upload your file to the Glowforge dashboard by clicking Create New Design, and then upload a file. The second method to making a print involves scanning a hand-drawn image into the app using Glowforge's built-in camera. Just like the first method, you'll want your image to be in black and white for best results. When your image is ready, place it inside the Glowforge and close the lid. From the dashboard, click Create New Design, then Trace a Design. When your image appears on the screen, drag a square around the area you'd like to print. You can then click the white spots you do not want to cut away, and the software will create an outline around your design. Then click Place Artwork and remove your image from the print bed. Whether using method 1 or 2, your design should now be captured on the screen. Select the material you'll use to print your project from the bin of materials provided under the Glowforge. You can also bring in your own material to print on once it's approved by a C4C assistant. Once selected, place it in the print bed and close the lid to let the Glowforge calibrate. If using Glowforge certified material that has a visible QR code label, settings will automatically be selected. If using uncertified materials, ask a C4C assistant to help you select the proper settings. On the app, position your design on your material using the transform tools to drag, rotate, and scale. In the design settings, make sure any shapes you want to engrave are set to engrave, and any shapes you want to cut are set to cut. For cutting materials, an SVG file is necessary. You can convert an image to SVG using the Glowforge's trace feature or with a free online vector converter. When your design and settings are ready, click Print on the Glowforge app. Make sure the Glowforge vent is turned on. Press the Print button on the Glowforge, located to the right. While your project is printing, please remain at the workshop. If any issues or concerns arise during your print, please let a C4C assistant know. After your print is complete, wait for the app to indicate your project has cooled down. Then turn off the vent and open the lid to retrieve your finished piece. If you'd like to learn more about using the Glowforge, there are plenty of resources available on www.glowforge.com.